Sixth. Let's go.
Hi guys, good morning. Good morning, one and all. How are you?
Good morning, sir. Fine, sir. How are you, sir?
Yeah.
Fine, sir.
Yes. I'm fine. So you guys are all are fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now I'm sorry for the take of 5 minutes late as every day. Due to this, not my problem, guys. This is a technical issue from the our office room. They are coming at 8:30 only. Due to Wi-Fi reason, I'm starting at 8:35 or 8:40. Okay. So anyhow, you all are fine. Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Even though why you are not joining at only few members, 8th, ninth, 10th, from combination of these three groups, the total 140 members are there. Out of 140, only 20 members right now they are present. I don't know that they don't want IIT. See guys, only one thing, keep in your mind. Whatever you are preparing for your textbooks, there is a no use to competitive levels. Okay, whatever you are preparing from your 10th class book or 8th class, 9th class in textbook, there is a no use, guys. If you learn IIT, there is a use and future life. Okay, I know that pain due to my heartly. I am telling that even though maths, tangents and secants, no use of that. So many topics are there related to competitive field. Our final target is we have to get in job in government sector and settle in best future. We have to do in the graduation, post graduation in IITs. Yes or no? But to enter into that, this IP syllabus is not required, guys. You just still someone is not muted their voices. If you don't want, just quit. Uh, what I am telling. So those who are really interested and to enter into IIT, just focus on IIT topics and prepare yourself also. Don't depend completely on classes. This is the best time. If I ask you me, this is the best time to learn that IIT Max. That is quantitative aptitude, not maths. Quantitative aptitude, percentages, profit and loss, simple interest, compound interest, time and work. If you know with good in these five topics, you can get in IIT exams or any competitive exams is a 10 to 15 marks. I am promised to you, either your brothers or sisters, your neighbors, though someone is preparing for what exams, competitive exams, just go and discuss with them. They will tell you only this thing. They don't know what they are prepared in 10th class, what they don't know what they are prepared in 8th or ninth classes. They know only what aptitude, quantitative aptitude. In that first topic, percentages, what I explained in the last class, just go and discuss with them what I explained to you, the problems. These problems are important or not. At that time, they will tell you whatever you know the problem, that problem for the one mark, guarantee 1 mark. If you focus from the today only, then you can cover more and more topics, guys. I am bothered about only these things. You don't want any other than subjects. Only IIT Physics, IIT Maths. Okay, so if you focus on like that, then you are the rocks, guys. Yeah, just think like that. Those who are preparing your brothers or sisters for the competitive exams, just go to them, go and what is your in your aptitude topics there is any topic is percentage, just ask like that. If they will say the what, yes we have the percentages, then give one problem to them. If they are not solved that problem, they are not solved the problem. If you solve in front of your brother or sister, their age is more than 20 plus, you are still 15 or 12, 15 less than 15 only I think. If you solve the problem in front of them, if their problem if you solve, that is the kick of life, guys. That will give the energy. That energy is equal to rocket energy, nuclear energy. That will give the energy. That motivation no one can give, guys. Motivation will come with your hard work. Motivation will come with your dedication, not simply listening any one class. So anyone can tell nowadays, the all are ready to tell something, but there is a no follower on that. Why I am telling, I got the government sector job, I prepared a lot, I know the what is the pain of the subject. If you are not enter in the government sector, the all are ready to tell something to you, they are ready. What, he don't know subject.
నువ్వే రోజు ఆడుతున్నావు కదా అయిపోతున్నాయి.
Hey, who is that? Hey, guys, just on your all videos. All of one, just on your all videos and mute your voice. Just on your videos. Everyone. If not, you can quit. On your videos all. Everyone should on your videos. If not, you can quit. Otherwise, I will quit for you. I will tell your name and quit. I will remove from the group. Just on your video. Are you mad? If someone is listening class in front of their or beside of their parents are not there, what are you thinking? నేను క్లాస్ చెప్పేటప్పుడు పక్కన మీ పేరెంట్స్ లేరు అనుకుంటున్నానా? నా క్లాస్ మీతో పాటు మీ పేరెంట్స్ కూడా వింటున్నారు. అలానే మీరు ఏదైనా మాట్లాడితే పక్కన వేరే వాళ్ళ పేరెంట్స్ వింటారు అని మినిమం కామన్ సెన్స్ లేదా? 8:30కి వచ్చాను రా ఇడికి. If you are not interested and just quit, I don't want to motivate anything. If you are not really not interested, just quit. I'm not begging you. రండి నాన్న అని పిలుస్తున్నానా? కాదు కదా. If you are really interested on that, just listen. If not, you can quit. I don't have any problem. Still someone are not on their videos. Only 15 members. This is you are showing the interest. Even single person is there online, I will tell you the class. And only for them, not for all. Okay guys, what you have completed in the last class, just I will recall that class and I will move further. And today I will tell you one very important and interesting, the advance of last class what we discussed. Okay, just focus on the class, focus on board. See guys, just respond anyone, the code is clear.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good, guys. The today's concept is a somewhat little bit advanced of last class, guys. Little bit advanced of last class. In last class, I explained you there are the two person, A is a person, B is a person. We have some amount that is 100, some amount which is 120 like that. Just mute your voice. Please mute your. I'm requesting. There is a person is called A is a person 100 and B is a person 120. What you are discussing in the last class, right? So similar way, you know that if there is a less, what is the percent of less? What is the percentage of more? How to find that? Percentage less. Percentage less means what? Difference of these two numbers. Difference by when you are finding the percentage less, write here more value or maximum value into 100. When you are finding the percentage more, when you are finding percentage more, just write the here difference and denominator. When you are here more, here less. Opposite guys into 100. Yes, this is the previous class. Yes or no? This is what I explained to you on board is the previous class. Now, the advanced level of the previous class is, I will tell you that one question to you. That question is, can I have this? The question, if the income of Ram, if the income of Ram is 10% more than that of Sham. That of Sham's income. How much percentage Sham's income is less than Ram's income? See guys, just note it down. What the board is clear. The words are visible to you.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Then just note it down. The problem I will explain to you. Just note down.
Over, sir.
Yes. Boys and girls, just look at our board. Important thing. First, I will tell you the what is the difference of last class and this class. In the last class, there are the two persons and they mention that individual their amount. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
In the last class, there are the two persons they mention their individual amount. But in this class, they are not mentioning their individual amount. They are simply telling that I am the person A and you are the person B, right? I have some amount and you have some amount. My amount is, and they are not mentioning that how much you have and how much I have. So here what they are telling that whatever you have the amount, that amount is 10% or 20% more than on me. See there are the two persons, A is the person, B is the person. There are the two persons, they have their individual amount, but they are not telling that how much they have and what they are telling that A is a person, his amount is 10% more than B's amount. And comparing to you with what percentage? With what percentage? See, understood that there are the two persons, one is the Ram and one more is Sham, guys. There are the two persons, person A is called Ram and person B is called Sham. There are the two persons. He has some individual amount, but we don't know that how much. Same similarly, Sham had some amount and that amount also we don't know that. What they are telling, if the income of Ram is 10% more than Ram is comparing to whom, guys? Sham. Ram is comparing to Sham. When you are comparing to others, when you are comparing to others, compared to others, and that if you are comparing to Sham, at that I default Sham at only 100. We don't know that how much we have. Yes, sir. At that time, when you are comparing to others, you simply assume that number Sham has 100 rupees. Okay, Sham had how much? 100 rupees. Now, what they are telling, Ram as a person, he has that 10% more than Sham. I know that now Sham's income is how much? 100. If 10% more than on this means, here is a 100 and now is a person, he don't know how much 10% more. When you are comparing to the 100 numbers, if 10% more, 100 plus 10, that is equal to 110.
110.
So how much? 110. If there is a possibility, this is the only happen when if that is a number must be 100. If this is the only happen when that 100 is there. Why? I will tell you the same. These all these things in later. Here this is what when the 100 is there, just add. If you are comparing to 100 only, if you are comparing to 100 only, if 10% less means 100 minus 10. That is equal to 90. When you are comparing to 100, either that is a percentage more, just add how much they mention the percentage here. If percentage less to compare to 100, then you can subtract directly. You can subtract. For example, Sham has a 200 rupees, 20% less. 20% less than Sham means it is not a 180, guys. It is not a 180. What I told to you, Sham, if the Sham had 100 only, not less, not more. This point you understood? Are you understood this point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Very good. So when you are comparing to 100 only, just add. If they are more, if less, just subtract. When your basic number should be the 100, guys. Basic number should be the 100. Right? So now this is the person Ram has 110, Sham has 100 rupees. Yes or no? Now they are mentioned that. Now individually we know that how much percentage, how much amount, 110 rupees, and Sham has 100 rupees. Then see that question what they are asking. How much percentage Sham's income is less than Ram's income? Sham is the person and here is the what? Ram is the person. He has 100, he has 110 rupees. Right? What they are asking? Sham's income. How much percentage? How much percentage less? Underline that word. How much percentage lesser? When you are finding the percentage less, what I told you, percentage less. Find the difference of these two numbers. What is the difference? 10. When you are finding the percentage less, your denominator should be
more, sir.
out of these two numbers, 100 or 10, which one is the more number?
110.
110.
Right here 110 into 100. Why? Because you know the half percentage.
Sir, your voice is stucking. Voice.
Just mute your voice. You can understand. 0 0 plus here is what? 1. This is 11 into 100. The last already explained. Number 1 by 11 convert into percentage. How much, guys?
9 1 by 11%.
Very good, super. Your name, please.
Stella, sir.
Very good, Stella. Keep it up. 9 1 by 11 percentage. That's the answer. This, how much percentage less? 9 1 by 11 percentage less. Yes or no? Have you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Just copy and note it down. If anyone is there not understood, not understand.
Sir, not understood, sir.
Not understood, sir.
Not
Yes.
understood, sir.
Very good, Nana. Super. Just listen that. There are the two persons. Here there are the two persons. Ram is a person and Sham is a person. Ram and Sham. In the last class, they mentioned that what their individual amount. When they mention the individual amount, they are done very easily. Last class, మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నాం? Ram A దగ్గర 100 రూపీస్, B దగ్గర 120 రూపీస్. డైరెక్ట్ మనకు రూపీస్ ఏం చేస్తాం? తక్కువనా ఎక్కువనా చెప్పగలం. అవునా కదా? Yes. Same time. In the last class మనం ఏం చేస్తాం? Percentage less, percentage more అన్నప్పుడు మనకు ఫార్ములా ప్రకారం మీకు దీని ఫార్ములా చెప్పాను. Percentage less అన్నప్పుడు డిఫరెన్స్ బై మాక్సిమం, percentage more అన్నప్పుడు డిఫరెన్స్ బై మినిమం నెంబర్.